A preposition is a word that connects one thing with another, showing how they are related. So एक object का दूसरे object से relation show करती है preposition. Some prepositions tell you about position or place. So first we will read about the preposition जो आपको बताती हैं कि किसी object की position या place कहाँ है. For example, there is a big balloon in the sky. यहाँ पे sky के अंदर इस balloon की position बता रहे हैं कि ये जो balloon है ये sky के कहाँ है, in. जेन इज जंपिंग इनटू द पूल. जेन क्या कर रही है, पूल के अंदर जंप कर रही है. बाहर से अंदर जब कोई एंट्री का आपको पोजीशन या मूवमेंट शो करना है, देन वी यूज इनटू. द बुक्स फेल ऑफ द शेल्फ. यहाँ पे ओ डबल एफ ऑफ है. रिमेंबर, ओ डबल एफ ऑफ यूज़ करते हैं हम जब हमें एक ऑब्जेक्ट से दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस शो करना होता है, उससे दूर जाना है. तो बुक्स क्या है, शेल्फ से नीचे गिर गई हैं. सिमिलरली द बॉय फेल ऑफ द बाइसिकल. तो फेल ऑफ मीन्स बाइसिकल से नीचे गिरा है, तो ये वाले ऑफ में ओ डबल एफ ऑफ यूज करेंगे. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट preposition ऑफ प्लेस इज इन. इन preposition को हम यूज करते हैं व्हेन वी वांट टू शो दैट अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज इन अ एनक्लोज स्पेस. किसी एक एनक्लोज स्पेस के अंदर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन अ रूम, इन अ बिल्डिंग, इन अ बॉक्स. सो किसी चीज़ के अंदर जब कुछ होता है, देन इट इज़ यूज्ड इन. In a garden, in a town, in a city center, in a pool, in a sea, in a river. So in is used when we want to show that a thing or an activity is happening in an enclosed space. For example, there is no one in the room. कि कमरे के अंदर कोई नहीं है. No one in the room, in the building, in the garden. What do you have in your hand? तुम्हारे हाथ के अंदर क्या है, हाथ में यानी कि मुट्ठी बंद है. What is in your hand? In your mouth. Mouth is closed. So what is in your mouth? We were in Italy. We spent few days in. When we were in Italy, we spent a few days in Venice. I have a friend who lives in a small village in the mountains. There were some people swimming in the pool, in the sea, in the river. सो स्विमिंग पूल के अंदर या सी के अंदर या रिवर के अंदर कुछ लोग स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं. अगर डाइव वर्ड यूज़ करना है या जंप यूज़ करना है कि बाहर से अंदर आप कूद रहे हैं रिवर में या सी में, देन इट इज़ इनटू. इफ़ यू आर ऑलरेडी इन द सी और रिवर एंड पूल, देन यू यूज़ इन. नाउ सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट preposition ऑफ प्लेस इज at. At is used when you want to pinpoint that activity is happening at some particular place. For example, at the bus stop, the place is very precise. It is not a large area or not an enclosed space. It's an open space and activity is happening at that particular place. So, at the bus stop, at the door, at the roundabout, at her desk. Who is that man standing at the bus stop? कि जो man bus stop पे खड़ा हुआ है वो कौन है? At the bus stop, at the door or at the window. Turn left at the traffic lights, at the next junction, at the roundabout, at the church. We have to get off the bus at the next stop. When you leave hotel, please leave your key at reception or at the reception desk. We are talking about the reception desk, a particular place, not reception, the full room we are talking about. We are talking about reception desk. Now, when you are using in and at for towns, then you have to be careful about that. We normally use in with cities, towns and villages. The Louvre is a famous art museum in Paris, not at Paris. We decided to meet at the art museum means outside the art museum. Sam's parents live in a village in the south of France, not at the village. We use at when we think of a place as a point or station on a journey. Does this train stop at Oxford? Here this Oxford means at Oxford station. Now let's compare in and at. There were a lot of people in the shop. It was crowded. When we say that there were a lot of people in the shop means we are talking about the interior, the inside of the shop. Go along this road, then turn left at the shop. Here we are talking about the outside of the shop, not inside of the shop. Turn left at the shop. I'll meet you in the hotel lobby in the building. So, in the hotel lobby. I'll meet you at the entrance of the hotel. Here, this entrance means outside the building. Now, on is another important preposition of place. We use on the wall, on the door, on the table, on the floor and on the ceiling. On her nose, on a page, on an island. When we want to talk about that some activity or something is happening on a surface or a line of something, then we use on. Let's see some example to understand this concept. I sat on the floor. फ्लोर के ऊपर बैठा हूँ मैं. या I sat on the ground, I sat on the grass, I sit on the beach, I sit on a chair. There's a dirty mark on the ceiling, on your nose, on your shirt. Did you see the notice on the wall, on the door? So here the notice is put on the wall or on the door. If you say that somebody is at the door, means somebody is outside the door. Here we are putting the notice on the door, or we are applying paint on the door. You will find details of TV programs on page 7 of the newspaper. The hotel is on a small island in the middle of a lake. Now let's compare where to use in and where to use on, or what is the difference between in and on. There is some water in the bottle. So पानी जो है वो bottle के अंदर है, तो in the bottle. There is a label on the bottle, but the label is on the bottle. On the surface of the bottle there is label. Now let's compare at and on. There is somebody at the door. I shall go and see who it is. Here we are talking about at the door means outside the house. There is a notice on the door. It says do not disturb. One important thing when you are using prepositions with means of transport, on a bus, in a car, etc. We usually say on a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a ship. When we are talking about big public transport, we use on, like on a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a ship. But for small transport or private transport, we use in a car, in a taxi. The bus was very full. There were too many people on it. Laura arrived in a taxi. But for bike, motorcycle or cycle, we use on because it is open and we sit on a bike. We say on a bike means bicycle, on a motorcycle, on a horse. Jane passed me on her bike. Prepositions of place. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition in, on, at. The cat is dash the table. So the cat is on the table. The cat is on the table. They live dash a small village. They live, very good, in a small village. The book is dash the shelf. The book is on the shelf. She is waiting dash the bus stop. At the bus stop. The kids are playing where? In the park. Thanks for watching the video. This was the correct use of preposition part 1, where you learned the use of preposition of place in, on and at. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will learn how to correctly use the preposition of time, moment in direction and some mixed exercises. Do leave your valuable comments how you like the video, and if there is any other topic or grammar concept that you want to make video on, then please share. And do subscribe RJ Learning Fun, because learning here is always fun.